Entry door installation in Sanford, Florida, is a crucial service for homeowners looking to enhance their home's curb appeal and security. With a variety of entry doors, Sanford styles available, including fiberglass entry doors, steel entry doors, and wooden entry doors, residents can choose the perfect fit for their home. Custom entry doors in Sanford, Florida, offer personalized options to match any architectural style. Front door replacement in Sanford is essential for maintaining the safety and energy efficiency of your home. Energy-efficient doors in Sanford help reduce utility bills while providing superior insulation. Door weatherproofing. Sanford FL services ensure that your entry doors withstand the elements, keeping your home comfortable year-round. Door replacement services in Sanford, Florida are vital for addressing issues such as door frame replacement, door jamb replacement, and door threshold replacement. These services help maintain the structural integrity of your doors, preventing further damage. Door sealing services in Sanford, Florida are also available to enhance energy efficiency and security. Door hardware upgrades in Sanford, Florida can significantly improve the functionality and appearance of your doors. From door lock installation to door hinge replacement, these upgrades ensure smooth operation and enhanced security. Door security enhancements in Sanford, Florida provide peace of mind for homeowners. Fiberglass doors, Sanford FL, and steel doors. Sanford, Florida are popular choices for their durability and low maintenance. These materials offer excellent resistance to weather and wear, making them ideal for the Sanford climate. Wooden doors. Sanford FL provide a classic look with the option for door refinishing Sanford to maintain their beauty. Storm doors Sanford, Florida, and patio doors. Sanford FL add functionality and style to your home. These doors offer additional protection against the elements and enhance the aesthetic appeal of your property. Door glass inserts and door painting services in Sanford, Florida allow for further customization and personalization. Entry door maintenance Sanford is crucial for prolonging the life of your doors. Regular maintenance, including door refinishing and door painting Sanford, Florida, keeps your doors looking new and functioning properly. Door design consultation in Sanford FL helps homeowners select the best options for their needs and preferences. Door frame replacement, Sanford and jamb Sanford FL services address structural issues that can compromise the security and efficiency of your doors. These replacements are essential for maintaining the overall performance of your entry doors, Sanford. Door threshold Sanford, Florida services ensure a proper seal and prevent drafts. Door sealing. Sanford, Florida services are vital for energy efficiency and comfort. Proper sealing prevents air leaks and reduces energy costs. Entry door styles. Sanford offer a wide range of options to suit any home design, from traditional to contemporary. Door glass. Sanford FL options provide natural light and aesthetic appeal to your entryway. These inserts can be customized to match your home's style and enhance its overall appearance. Door painting. Sanford, Florida services offer a fresh look and protection against the elements. Door hinge, Sanford FL, and door lock. Sanford, Florida services ensure the security and functionality of your doors. These components are essential for smooth operation and protection against unauthorized entry. Entry door services Sanford, Florida provide comprehensive solutions for all your door needs.